How to create your first GitHub repository. What is a GitHub repository? A GitHub repository, repo, equals an online folder that stores your project. It contains code files, commit history, branches, README file, issues and pull requests. Why? Repo is where your project lives on GitHub. What you need before creating a repo? You need a GitHub account, internet connection, a project. Optional. Why? You must have an account to create repositories. Creating a new repository on GitHub. Steps. Go to github.com. Click New Repository. Enter repository name. Choose public or private. Optional. Add README. Click Create Repository. Why? This creates an empty project space on GitHub. Public vs private repository. Public repository. Anyone can see your code. Private repository. Only you and invited people can see your code. Why? Controls who can access your project. Adding a README file. readme.md equals homepage of your repo. It should contain project name, what the project does, how to run it, how to use it, why, helps others understand your project. Connecting local project to GitHub repo. Commands. Git init. Git remote add origin less than repo URL greater than. Git push u origin main. Why? Links your computer project to GitHub. First commit to your repo. Steps. Edit files. Git add. Git commit m, initial commit. Git push. Why? Uploads your project to GitHub. What happens after repo is created? You can now push code, create branches, open pull requests, share your project, collaborate with others. Why? Repo becomes your project hub. Common beginner mistakes. Forgetting to add README, choosing wrong visibility, public, private, not pushing code after commit, deleting main branch, sharing private repo by mistake. Why? These mistakes can cause confusion. Best use cases. Use GitHub repository for personal projects, college projects, team projects, open source projects, portfolio projects. Why? Keeps all your work in one safe place. Real life example. GitHub repo equals Google Drive folder. Files equals your documents. Commits equals saved versions. Why? Repo stores and tracks your project online. In simple words, GitHub repository equals online project folder. README equals project intro. Commit equals save changes. Push equals upload to GitHub. Create repo means connect project means push code. Your first repo equals first step into GitHub.